How to record vocals or audio in Logic Pro X. It's very simple. Simply create a new layer, choose audio, choose create, and it'll make you a new audio layer. Now the one that I'm on that you're hearing the microphone go through, it has a noise reduction filter on it and it has a compressor on it. We're going to go into more of this kind of stuff a little bit later in the series. For now, you don't need to worry about this if you're just recording your guitar or it's your first time recording your mic and just want to get used to it. When you're on the layer, press the R and that'll enable record standby. Now when you actually press record, it'll give you a 4 count in and you are recording. And you will see what you are recording. In fact, I'll make this bigger. And you'll see it recording down here as well. I'm just going to record a little ditty over this, and we'll use that for our temporary audio for now. Why not? I'm willing to humble myself and embrace humility, even if I can't sing too well. Let's go.
Baby, why you got me going so crazy? What haven't I done for you lately? Give me yes or no or a maybe. Come and take a ride in your Mercedes. Why you acting so damn shady? Can you please act like my lady? Why your eyes always looking so hazy? Fuck it back to my sound.
Press spacebar again to stop recording. If you keep recording, it'll do takes. And you'll keep doing takes in there. And it's a bit of a messy process I'd rather not go into right now. So let's just try to avoid that. Don't do takes just yet. Just try to nail it once or do a few takes further on down the timeline and then stitch together the parts you want to stitch together. Now it's important for me at least that I did use my RX8 noise reduction tool. I feed this SM7B mic through a preamp with an aftermarket tube on it that goes to my sound card and it's very sensitive. And if I didn't have this on, you would hear everything around me a little bit more. And then I could apply this in post and do more post-processing, which you guys will be doing, and I'll show you how. However, I find the hot mic input being filtered in real time is super important. So when I say how to record proper audio or proper vocals in Logic Pro X, your line going into the machine and how it's being handled is step number 1 and super important, especially if your end result results in hiss, lack of dynamic sound, or you spent a lot of money and you're still not getting that Howard Stern boom in your voice. I can improve this even more to have more boom in my voice by simply EQing a little more. I'm going to add way too much, way too quick, so I'm just going to leave it off. The cleanliness is what's important here. Okay, so we have some clean, raw vocals, and the singing isn't that great. But I'm going to show you how to even fix this without using auto-tune. We'll use that as well. We'll auto-correct and all that, and we'll have our little auto-tune effect if we want it. But I'm going to show you how to manually fix anybody's vocals, including your own, even if you don't sing too well. Okay, and those are the basics of recording vocals or anything really into Logic Pro X.